Hello, my name is Isaac, and I am recording my video for the second part of Challenge 15 for describing displaying the Lambda function in action with the RoboAdvisor built on AWS Lambda. Right now, you can see over here that an error has occurred. The server encountered an error processing the Lambda response. Long story short, my Lambda function is working with the tests that were given to us in the starter code package for Challenge 15. All those tests check out. I'll get to that in a second. But I had two TAs helping me out with this error with the server, and we couldn't seem to figure it out. But I do want to show evidence that I've been working on my code and that everything checks out. So as you can see, from my previous video, everything is up to date. Everything is checking out. I have the fulfillment for AWS Lambda function, recommended portfolio with a lowercase r. Let's check out the function. Okay. Here we are with the code. Just to show, I'm going to, in addition, I'm going to copy and paste the code in the comment section when I submit, just so that y'all have it to look at there. But for right now, let's just scroll through and I can show you what the code looks like for right now. Up above, required libraries, securely converts a non-integer value to integer, define a results message structure as a LEX response. Scrolling down, returns an initial investment recommendation based on the risk profile. Scrolling down a little bit more, see risk levels there. Validates the data provided by the user. If age is not none, age parse intent, age. So here we have the less than 0 and then the greater than or equal to 65, which will be one of the tests later. Dialog actions, helper functions. Scrolling down a little bit more, defines a delegate slot type response. Continuing on, defines a closed slot type response. Continuing on, performs dialog management and fulfillment for recommending a portfolio. Dialog code hook. Fetch current session attributes. Returns a message with the initial recommendation based on the risk level. Intents dispatcher, dispatches to bots intent handlers. Main handler route to incoming requests based on intent, return dispatch event to close out the code. Now, when I run the tests, you can see that I have them sectioned off. We'll start with age error. Test. Age error, you can see that the test checks out and comes back correct. Correct dialog. Close out. With the correct dialog, you can see that that clearly checks out. No problems there. With the incorrect amount error, the test checks out. No errors there. For negative age error, you can see that there is no errors, checks out, everything is correct. Now, just to go over it, recommended portfolio, whenever I go back to the bot here, we can see that I have recommended portfolio selected for both of these. I'll push to build again. Test the bot in the window, clear chat history, just for my own sake of me not messing anything up. I'm going to copy and paste my first utterance. Move my, yeah. And you can clearly see that with my first utterance, an error has occurred. The server encountered an error processing the Lambda response. Now, again, this has nothing to do with any code or connectivity that I have on my end. It has everything to do with the server connection. I do hope that this doesn't deduct any points from my overall grade, since I did do all the work correctly on my end. But if need be, I can definitely go back and resubmit. Just let me know how things go, and we'll go from there. Thank you so much for your time, and bye-bye.